This FNT non-stick deep fry pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts an 11-inch octagonal design, and it offers ample space for various cooking tasks. The granite finish not only looks sleek but also provides excellent non-stick properties. This means your pancakes and other delicate foods won't stick, and cleanup will be a breeze. You can say goodbye to frustrating stuck-on food, for this pan makes cooking easier. The FNT non-stick deep fry pan is quite versatile, and it works well on different stovetop types, including induction. The heat-resistant handle stays cool to the touch, and this adds a layer of safety and comfort. The included lid helps trap heat and moisture, and this is perfect for simmering and braising. While it doesn't offer privacy, it certainly provides convenience in the kitchen. This pan is not just a tool, it's a partner in your daily cooking adventures, and it aims to simplify the process. Overall, the FNT non-stick deep fry pan seems like a reliable and practical choice. Its non-stick surface simplifies cooking and cleaning, and the octagonal shape adds a unique touch. While no cooking tool is immune to potential damage with improper use, this pan appears to be built with a focus on durability and ease of use. Forget needing a special towel for scrubbing. This pan cleans up easily. It might not be a legend, but it's certainly a strong contender for your everyday cooking needs, offering good performance without exaggeration. Pros: non-stick surface, deep frying design, comes with a lid, octagonal shape 11-inch size. Granite material, good for sautéing, works on induction, heat-resistant handle, easy for cooking, versatile pan, durable build. Cons: can release fumes if overheated, some worry about coating safety, scratches can damage surface. Not ideal for very high heat, metal utensils not recommended, cleaning needs care to avoid damage, limited lifespan compared to steel, octagonal shape might feel odd. Features: granite material, induction ready, heat-proof handle, deep frying pan, includes a lid, even heat base, multi-purpose use, easy to clean. This FNT non-stick pan is great for deep frying and everyday cooking. It is 11 inches wide and has a special octagonal shape with a lid. The pan is made of granite material and works on all kinds of stoves, even induction. The handle stays cool, so it's safe to hold while cooking. It heats food evenly and is also easy to wash after you are done. This FNT non-stick deep frying pan is an 11-inch octagonal wok made of granite, which is good for deep frying and sautéing. And it comes with a lid and a heat-resistant handle, making cooking easy on induction cooktops. The pan is designed to be versatile and durable for everyday cooking. However, the non-stick coating can release fumes if it gets too hot, and some people are concerned about its safety. The surface can also be damaged by scratches, so metal utensils are not recommended, and careful cleaning is needed. While it's easy to cook with, this type of pan might not last as long as a steel pan, and the octagonal shape could feel a bit unusual to some.